Digital Ascension Group is a multifamily office. We have multiple subsidiaries. So we have Digital Wealth Partners, and they do all the wealth management. So they're an SEC registered RIA. They have institutional grade custody. We're able to generate returns and yield on your XRP or Bitcoin that you have with us there, and other digital assets as well. They can custody coin, Ethereum, Matic, Chainlink, Solana, XRP, XLM, Avalanche, Quant, and almost any EVM based token. They're at Anchorage. And then we can also get you lines of credit. There's a provable statement to a bank if you want to use it as collateral to buy a house or do other things. We'll do your taxes for all of your crypto trades. You get a 1099 DA from that corporation at the end of the year on your account. It's effectively a Schwab account for your crypto. We do the estate planning and complex estate planning for a lot of our high net worth clients, structuring complex trust. We'll do philanthropic planning. So if you want a DAF, a donor advised fund, or a CRUT, a charitable remainder trust, or a foundation, we can structure those things. We'll do insurance, so wealth planning alongside the wealth management. We have another corporation called Azure Legacy. Carl von Schwartz runs that, and he works with Carson, who I just had on my podcast the other day, to help people structure PPLI, premium finance, whole life policies, IULs, IULs, whatever tool is going to be the best fit for you and your family. Most likely you're going to have a bunch of different insurance policies if you're a high net worth individual. Carson, the largest estate that he's worked with, and he insured them up to $750 million across 3 or 4 policies. So, as your net worth increases and you have more assets, you probably want to, take out additional life insurance, which can also be diversification from your more risky investments, a hedge, and then also provide you lines of credit or liquidity against that you can then use to continue to expand your asset allocation or diversify your portfolio. Aside from that, we do corporate governance and business planning. We also have a division that does bill pay and accounting and concierge service for you. And then the last piece is really family governance and planning. So we work with you to set up your family constitution or family charter, ethics documents, governance documents around that coincide with your trust structures. And also, be able to set up annual meetings. You put together your financial committee, your family board, all the stuff that you would need for your family office. We try to be a end-to-end solution for that, but you may have advisors that you already work with in some of those capacities that you've had relationships with for an extended period of time. We're not here to replace anybody. We're here to add value. So if it's just one piece that you want to use from our side of the table, awesome. If it's all the pieces, awesome. Again, we're here to just fit in where most makes sense for you and your family and your long-term wealth growth and preservation.